The most romantic Valentine's Day 2023 nail art ideas. Themed nails are always a good way to celebrate any holiday, regardless of whether you frequently paint your nails at home, schedule regular appointments at your neighborhood nail shop, or just enjoy getting a manicure occasionally. Valentine's Day is one of those occasions where you may express yourself artistically while simultaneously having fun and flirting. The traditional Valentine's Day manicure consists of a thick coat of red or pink polish, but nowadays, nail technicians are coming up with some stunning designs that will give you unlimited ideas. Although the traditional holiday colors are still red and pink, there are many other options available if you'd prefer something a little bit different. Don't worry if it makes you sad to get rid of your New Year's nails. The most romantic nail design suggestions for Valentine's Day 2023 have been gathered by us. The most difficult decision will be deciding which design you prefer. French in reverse pink and red. The celebrity manicurist Bettina Goldstein's contemporary interpretation of the traditional French manicure is breathtaking. Give your cherry red manicure a micro-French tip in pale pink polish, and paint the half moons at your cuticles with the same shade of pale pink to achieve this look at home or in the salon. Simple but oh so sexy, this is Holy Heart. Who says your ring finger has to be the accent nail? The Sacred Heart that Bettina Goldstein hand-painted on the thumb, which nicely contrasts the otherwise tidy, red manicure, is one of our favorite details. Even minor nail art can leave a lasting impression. Try recreating this look with a decal or a stamp if your painting abilities aren't up to par. Typical red. Red is the Valentine's Day color of choice, therefore this traditional red manicure is stunning. Apply your favorite red color to short, naturally shaped nails to recreate the French girl manicure that renowned nail expert Tom Bachique designed for actress Michelle Williams. For the best shine, add a gel or gloss top coat towards the end. French in pink with heart accents. With this playful rendition of a French manicure with accent nails, go for a delicate and pleasant appearance. Two unique accent nails are used in this manicure, which has tips that are bubblegum pink. We adore how the ring finger has a single, little pink heart while the pinky nail is painted the same color as the tips. Hearts and jewels. For Valentine's Day, who doesn't desire hearts and diamonds? 2 hearts and 2 faux diamond jewels are added to a neutral base coat on each nail. If you're familiar using nail gems, decals, and stickers, you could duplicate this look at home. If not, it would make the ideal inspiration to bring to your local manicure shop. Red hearts with white swirls. Why not add some little red hearts to these stunning swirl nails for Valentine's Day, as they are one of the top trends this season? The ideal setting for these white swirls is a naked foundation on long, square nails. Red hearts give the perfect amount of color to create a design that will remain fashionable long after love has passed. Accent nail with a white heart. For those who favor a simple manicure, bare nails will never go out of style. Additionally, they serve as the ideal foundation for even the most subtle nail art. One accent nail should be painted with a few tiny, white hearts to show off your Valentine's Day attitude. The style is understated and fashionable while also being celebratory. European heart tips. We are reminded of candy hearts by these sweet French heart tips. You'll adore this manicure if you enjoy themed nails. Hearts, swirls, and glitter are displayed on one hand while charming pink and purple heart tips are displayed on the other. Combine several of the various looks or pick just one for Valentine's Day. European swirl. Not all variations of this traditional French manicure use pink tips. The swirl accent nail is what really makes this manicure stand out, though a tiny bit of glitter polish along the base of the tips gives these nails a romantic air. We adore it because there is just the right amount of glitz to make it festive without being too much. Soft hearts. During the month of February, red and pink do tend to predominate as nail polish hues, which is why we adore how surprising these pastel hearts are. With these nails, which have tiny, monochromatic hearts painted on each nail, try something unusual. The best aspect is that this appearance will work beautifully over the Easter season. Dotted in polka dot red and pink. This is a fantastic technique to modernize a pink and red manicure. For a Valentine's Day manicure, placing a single, straightforward heart on one nail is fairly standard, but we adore how the addition of the polka dot outline on the ring finger elevates this style. If you're about to get some new jewelry, this is an especially great approach to draw attention to this finger. Violet Ombre. An ombre manicure has a seductive and sensual vibe that we adore. These long, square-shaped tips look fantastic with this design, which chooses a non-traditional purple paint and includes white hearts on one accent nail. This manicure's ombre pattern greatly softens its appearance, making it ideal for small heart. We adore how this traditional micro-French nail appears. This manicure is really popular right now and is ideal for any event or season. Without overpowering the manicure's appearance, the addition of one tiny red heart on the accent nail is the ideal nod to Valentine's Day. Rosy hearts. Add these subdued pink hearts to your nude manicure to make a statement. For this nail art, pick whatever shade of pink you like, but we suggest mauve nude because it's delicate enough to blend in but charming enough to be festive. You have ample area to position these hearts right below the tips of long nails with rounded square tips. Hearts and chocolate. On Valentine's Day, chocolate is a necessity, and the delectable indulgence undoubtedly serve as inspiration for this manicure. Replace the standard red and pink nail polish with this deep, glittering chocolate shade. The combination of a creamy nude accent nail and a splash of gold glitter results in a chic and gorgeous manicure. Additionally, this look will work wonderfully after the vacation. Heart tingles. This nail art is perfect for you if you enjoy Valentine's Day. Red, pink, and white hearts are painted close to the tip of the nail in this sweet variation on the French manicure. We adore how this short, rounded shape highlights the hearts so delicately, even though this design would be charming on nails of any length. French tipped in pink with hearts. The French manicure's versatility makes it perfect for themed nails. The Valentine's Day manicure added red hearts and silver gems to the Barbie pink tip, which would have been adorable on its own. The long stiletto design provides enough room to fully emphasize the holidays theme. Conventional red with hearts. Just because you choose to keep your nails short and organically formed doesn't mean you have to forego a design. Even though this sweet apple red nail polish would be stunning on its own, we adore the addition of two little hearts with accent polka dots on two fingers to give this manicure a little bit of playfulness. Love letters. These nails resemble the adult equivalent of the paper valentines you used to gift your classmates in elementary school. Red hearts and traditional phrases of love are painted on bare nails. A beautiful method to express your feelings to someone special is to paint the words, "Be mine," on your ring finger. Hearts in French. We adore the beautiful style that this nail artist achieved by combining French tips, white heart nail art, and teardrop-shaped jewels. Two of the long, square-shaped nails have French tips, while the remaining four are decorated with a single, white heart. The stone's modest design is made to stand out with just the appropriate amount of sparkle from the diamonds. French flag in light pink and white. Valentine's Day meets simplicity. The solitary white heart on the ring finger is a charming and romantic reference to the holiday in this traditional short French manicure with micro tips, which is gorgeous on its own. This pattern has the advantage of being subtle enough to be worn beyond the holiday without looking out of place. Get glittery or leave. We adore the way the darker hues of red, pink, and burgundy blend so perfectly to create a romantic atmosphere, not just because glitter nail polish was added to the nails. The heart accent nail, the entire glitter nail, and the gradient glitter effect on one nail. Pink and red hearts. These nails are for you if all you want to do is love and want to show everyone that you're living in a love bubble. This pink and red French manicure with red hearts applied at the cuticle looks fantastic on long, square nails. A romantic touch is the inclusion of the monogram letter, especially if you include your sweetheart's initial. Subtle and sweet. Sometimes the smallest, subtlest designs have the biggest effects. Simple and elegant, this short manicure has tips that are a soft pink color. For a quick, simple, and temporary Valentine's Day manicure, add a few tiny heart decals. Alternatively, get the hearts painted on for a longer-lasting effect. Pink nail art and chrome. Instagram. One of the most sought-after nail art trends this year is still chrome nails. Even though this pink chrome manicure is delicate and feminine and would be a festive look on its own, we love how the nail technician nailed the idea by placing a pink chrome heart on the accent nail that is solid white. Something blue. The conventional Valentine's Day manicure may be dominated by pink and red, but blue is the ideal, unexpected, and romantic polish hue to create a slightly different design. For those who want something a little less conventional, these miniature blue tips with one tiny blue heart are ideal. Queen of Hearts. These nails remind us of the Queen of Hearts. It's almost as if we're staring at a deck of cards. The deep red hearts add the perfect finishing touch to this classic French manicure. Medium length, square tips allow the nail artist to be creative while keeping this look understated. Black glitter French. It's not difficult to see why the French manicure has experienced such a resurgence in the last year or so, and nail artists are displaying true creativity when experimenting with this style. These black glitter micro tips are an out-of-the-box Valentine's Day look that exudes Parisian, romantic vibes, and can be worn at any time of year. Purple hearts. Instagram. If you love the idea of a themed nail but want something a little less predictable, this purple heart manicure may be just what you're looking for. We love how this nail artist combined a few different styles to create this adorable look and used 2 different shades of purple to create the heart accents. Pink and black. Instagram. Barbiecore pink and jet black combined create a bold yet romantic manicure design. These medium-length almond-shaped nails showcase this nail art beautifully, and we love how the black accent nails have subtle leopard print designs behind the pink hearts. The combination of these 2 colors is ideal for anyone who wants to make a statement with their manicure. French long square. These nails are absolutely stunning. The combination of nude and shimmery white polishes always gives off a minimalist, chic vibe, but the addition of the heart and dot nail art on the ring finger ups the romance factor significantly. The long, square shape is ideal for displaying these French tips and accent nails. Pink with a matte finish. Chon Legend, a celebrity nail artist, created this stunning manicure on long, coffin-shaped nails using complementary shades of pink polish with a matte finish. Why limit yourself to just one color when there are so many to choose from? This finish has more of a Valentine sugar candy look, Legend told Nylon. Colors of love. You should show this to your nail technician right away. Have you ever seen anything as lovely as these heart-shaped nails in pink, red, and white? The embossed hearts add an interesting and 3-dimensional element to this otherwise traditional manicure. Pastel sweethearts. Don't these pastel nails look like sweetheart candies? These nails demonstrate that pastel polishes aren't just for Easter. If you're looking for something different and unexpected for Valentine's Day and want to avoid the usual red and white polishes, these almond-shaped nails in a rainbow of pastel colors with 3D nail charms are perfect. Swirls and hearts. One of the reasons abstract swirl manicures are so popular is that there are no rules when it comes to creating the design, and each nail is unique. This cute and very on-trend manicure was created by combining pink and white swirls with hearts of the same color. A twist on red. Everyone loves a red manicure for Valentine's Day, but if you're looking to add a festive twist to this classic color, look no further. We love how this nail artist incorporated the popular swirl trend into their take on this classic manicure. Swirls and hearts elevate this look from basic to stunning. Hearts in pink and white. This manicure leans more on traditional Valentine's Day elements while still maintaining a modern feel. This manicure has a more sophisticated feel than bubblegum or Barbiecore pink because the nail artist chose a darker shade of pink to contrast with the bright white polish. Swirls of pastel color. What happens when a rainbow of pastel polishes, trendy swirl designs, and tiny heart nail art are combined? The cutest Valentine's Day nail art you've ever seen. This is a dreamy, unicorn-inspired, and romantic look that can be worn at any time of year. Hearts in negative space. Over the last few years, the negative space nail trend has quietly grown in popularity. This concept works so well with this theme nail because, rather than painting intricate nail art, this nail artist simply left negative space in the shape of a heart on one nail for a very cool effect. Shine and sparkle. If you're planning a special night out for Valentine's Day, you'll want your nails to match. This red carpet-ready manicure is created with a stunning white glitter polish. Glitter gems accent the French tip finish, which is alternated with a full coat of polish on the nails. Iridescent almond-shaped hearts. When it comes to their manicures, some people find a fine line between just the right amount of sparkle and shine and too much. Try this manicure if you like a little sparkle but want to keep it simple. This traditional French manicure is enhanced by a scattering of iridescent sparkles on the middle finger. Every single heart. With this stunning mani, you can try out one of the most recent nail trends. Encapsulated nails are a trend in which tiny iridescent heart decals in various colors are encapsulated under a coat of clear acrylic. For those who believe that more is better, this is the nail inspiration you need. Tips in purple ombre. This manicure has a lot going on, but we love it all. The ombre purple and pink polish on only half of the tips adds a pop of color to this otherwise neutral manicure, while the fine white polish outlines and artwork add interest that reflects the Valentine's Day vibe. Zoxo. With these adorable Zoxo nails, you can channel your inner gossip girl. Valentine's Day is all about love, and this nail art conveys that message. If you're not confident in your artistic abilities, you could always use nail stickers or a fine line polish to create this look freehand. Polka dot splendor. Is there anything cuter than this mani? The pale pink base and tiny white polka dots are adorable on their own, but the addition of glitter hearts makes it perfect. This look is both romantic and feminine. This manicure is ideal for someone who wants to be both understated and extravagant. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button for more great grabbers videos.